In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell on Facebook Marketplace in 2025 with a few handy tips along the way. If you're ready to dive into the world of online buying and selling, then this guide will help you navigate through Facebook Marketplace smoothly. First, we'll begin by opening Facebook. Once you're logged into your account, take a look at the left-hand side of your home page. You'll notice a column of options. At the bottom of this list, there's a button that says See More. Go ahead and click on that. This action reveals additional features that Facebook has to offer, one of which is the Marketplace. Click on Marketplace, and you're now stepping into a virtual bazaar crafted entirely by Facebook users from all over. Now, if you're looking to sell something, let's show you how to create a new listing. At the top left corner of the Marketplace page, there's an option that reads Create New Listing. Clicking on this will open a series of steps allowing you to sell your items efficiently. First, you'll be asked to choose the type of listing you wish to create. This could be anything from an item for sale, a vehicle, to even a property for rent. Make your selection according to what you're offering. Following that, it's time to add some photos. High-quality images are crucial. They not only attract more potential buyers, but also showcase your item best. So, pick clear, well-lit images that represent your item accurately. Next, add a compelling title for your listing. This should be concise and informative, letting potential buyers know exactly what you're offering. After the title comes the price. Think about a fair price point based on the item's condition and market demand. Once you set the price, you'll need to select a category for your item. Choosing the right category is essential as it ensures your item reaches the right audience. Following categories, you'll have to indicate the condition of your item, whether it's new, like new, or used. Honesty is key here. Providing an accurate condition will help build trust with potential buyers. Then, take a moment to craft a detailed description. In your description, include any pertinent details that might interest buyers, such as the item's history, dimensions, or any unique features. Adding relevant tags can also increase the visibility of your item when buyers search for similar products. Next, specify your location. Facebook uses this to show your listing to people in and around your area. Additionally, you'll have to decide on a delivery process, whether you'll offer shipping or prefer local pickup. Once all these details are set, go ahead and click Next. Review your listing to ensure everything is accurate and then hit Publish to make your item live. Congratulations, you've successfully created your listing on Facebook Marketplace. With these steps, you're now ready to buy or sell with ease, taking full advantage of this vibrant online community. Thank you for watching, and happy buying and selling.